Well, if your roof is due for a tune-up, a local business is offering services that use new technology to get that job done with no ropes and no ladders. Here to tell us how that's possible is Dwayne Sharping. He's the CEO of Roof Fix and licensed operator Yoshi Schechter. All right, you surprise me every time you come on. What is this? This is just new technology here?
Well, with the tune-ups, this all started back in 2016 in the hailstorms, and people weren't able to afford to get their roofs fixed.
Right.
And so we invented the famous roof tune-up.
Right.
And it's just the technology has come so far that we actually use innovative technology, and we can actually do roof inspections, Paul, like you've never seen before. The technology here will actually X-ray a roof, and we can see any potential leak area in this roof by using this drone technology. But now we're also using it to clean solar, and we're also using it to seal the sealer in the roof tune-up, giving a roof tune-up a lifetime warranty.
That's amazing. So these drones do a lot. So Yoshi, exactly what do these drones do? I see some thermal imaging over there.
Right. So this is our thermal scanning drone. And you can see it actually identifies heat and infrared.
And when I eat for Halloween,
it does. We can zoom in on Dwayne's tummy.
Is that what we're looking at on the screen?
Yeah, exactly right.
No, but I can see how that would be very effective.
So we see moisture penetration under the roof levels, and we use it to do analysis and give that information back to Roof Fix, so they can make an accurate estimates on what they're doing.
And this drone here, what does this one do?
This big one, if you can see down here, we actually connect a hose to it, and we pump cleaning fluid, roof cleaning fluid. We clean solar panels, clean roofs. We also apply
the roof juvenator.
Roof juvenator that lets us. It's kind of like not to use a brand name, but a Neutrogena for your asphalt roof.
Yeah, so you've got the advantage, and this can see things that the human eye can't see. Now, my question is, how often should somebody get a tune-up?
First you should get your roof inspected once a year. Roof Fix will do that annually for you for free, and we'll use this technology. You will not get an inspection from no other roofing company like this, and you'll get a full free technology report every year.
Wow, that is
amazing. On a roof tune-up, if you have missing shingles, granule loss, you don't have to replace your roof. And this costs fractions of a cost of a new roof.
Fractions,
yeah. So we can really make this affordable and easy to do. So we really recommend now's the time to do the roof tune-up.
This is amazing stuff, and you got a special offer as well.
Absolutely, yes. Right now we are still going, because of all the power outages and everything, we will give a free generator away from every job that we sell one of our major re-roofs or a roof tune-up on.
Well, you can't beat that. How can folks find out more?